Hello folks and welcome. Here I have one really interesting Parkside tool, Aluminium Precision Ratchet Handle Set. As you can see, this is a really small ratchet. Well, I have seen smaller than this, but this ratchet is perfect for tight spaces where it's difficult to insert bigger and longer ratchet. It comes with 2 bits. Now let's open the package. Let's take a look at the bits first. They're manufactured by OWIM. This is the lidl's company. And here is the ratchet, really light. It's made from aluminium. Unfortunately, as you can see, it doesn't have a switch for selecting the direction of rotation, but it do have slots on both sides. So if you wanna tighten up something, you have to use this slot like this, and if you wanna unscrew something, you have to use the slot on the other side. There is a magnet in both slots, so it's impossible to lose the bit. Pretty nice. And also you can remove the handle like this and use the ratchet in even tighter spaces. So that's from me, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe.